What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two of the most popular online business platforms, StanStore and System.io. So whether you are a content creator or an entrepreneur looking to streamline your business, this video will help you decide which platform is right for you. So let's get right to it. First of all, here we have StanStore. StanStore is designed for content creators and influencers who want to monetize their audience, and it's perfect to sell digital products, online courses, and digital services, downloads, ebooks, and stuff like that. It's one of the biggest advantages of StanStore here. As you can see, the simple interface that is not cluttered, and it's easy to use for beginners. It's user-friendly and doesn't require a lot of technical knowledge to set up. You can also integrate it with your social media profiles, making it easy to promote your products directly to your followers if you are a social media influencer. Also, creating and listing products on StanStore is straightforward and easy. You can just sign up for a free account or log in if you do already have an account, and you can control all the aspects for your products, all your products details, that says. You can set prices, publish your listing, and also it offers built-in tools for managing your sales and customer interactions. However, it doesn't come without any limitations or cons. Probably the biggest limitation is that it's primarily focused on digital products. So if you are looking to sell physical goods or need advanced business features, you might find it lacking in this area. So let's go to our next option right here, or the next e-commerce store that we will talk in this video. Here, this is System.io. It's an all-in-one marketing platform designed for entrepreneurs. It combines tools for email marketing, sales funnels, online courses, and more into a single product. So it's not only an e-commerce platform, you can also market your business and set online marketing campaigns, email marketing campaigns. You can edit sales funnel and create sales funnels. You can sell online courses and stuff like that on it. Now, it offers a comprehensive suite of features that make it easy to manage various aspects of your business in one place. As I told you, not only listing products, but marketing them and managing your customers as well. So whether you are creating landing pages, you want to automate email sequences, or setting up membership sites, System.io has it all and it has you covered. Also, setting up sales funnel on System.io is intuitive. You can choose from pre-built templates, customize them to fit your brand and your needs, and track your funnel's performance with details, analytics, insights, and lots of data to manage. However, with all these features, System.io can be a bit complex for beginners, as it has lots of different tools, so it can be overwhelming if you are just beginning. It requires some time to learn and fully utilize its capabilities to the max. Because as I told you, it's not only an online market, it has also tools for email marketing, business funnels, managing business funnels, clients, and stuff like that. So let's do a quick comparison of the pros and cons of these two features, or these two online stores, sorry. First of all, the StanStore. It's easy to use and set up. It's ideal for digital products and digital download, digital goods, as I told you. And it has seamless social media integration, so it's ideal if you are a social media influencer. However, it's limited to digital products only, so you cannot sell physical products on it. It has fewer business management features, and it's less suited for complex sales processes. And that's where the power of System.io comes in hand. It's an all-in-one marketing platform. It supports both digital and physical products. It has extensive features for email marketing, sales funnels, and membership sites, managing your customers, and all of that. However, it does have a steeper learning curve, especially if you are a beginner or just starting out. It can be overwhelming for all beginners, and it has higher complexity with multiple tools in one platform, since, as I told you, it's not only a simple marketplace. It has also tools for marketing and managing business, sales funnels, and customers, and all of that. So now the question is, which platform is right for you? If you are a content creator looking to sell digital products and want something simple and integrates seamlessly with social media, then StanStore is a great choice for you. However, if you are an entrepreneur looking for a comprehensive tool to manage your entire business, from selling products to managing sales funnels, email marketing, and every step of the way, then here from marketing to sales to customer management, System.io is the way to go for you.